The chapter 10 we wrote with Jacques is titled ABC Learning Design in Schools, Primary and Secondary Schools in France, Scaling Up Professional Development in Learning Design. So I'm François Jourde, I'm a former teacher at secondary school, philosophy was my subject. I'm now based in Brussels working in professional development in digital education. And Jacques?
I'm Jacques Dubois. I work as a trainer for a regional district academy de Dijon. And I work as an expert for the LMS platform at the Ministry of Education in France.
Thank you, Jacques. So in our chapter, we explain how we run a workshop at national level, a centralized level in Paris in 2022, organized by the French Ministry of Education. It was a workshop addressed to the trainers of trainers nationwide. And during this workshop, we presented and we have these people to test out the ABC learning design method with cards, physical cards. We observed after this day of workshop that the ABC learning design fits our needs, the express needs for these trainers, with the key benefit of fostering peer-to-peer conversation, discussion. We said earlier, ABCLD brings us a shared language. And that's happening during, of course, the design and after, during the analysis phase of the training program. We were just very interested in looking at the prompts shared by the Irish people. Okay, now we also acknowledge that ABC learning design can be well contextualized, especially in the realm of primary and secondary education training in France. And we used and acknowledge the interest, the added value of using dedicated online tools to support the learning design beyond the physical card-based approach. Now that was our workshop, which was conceived as a proof of concept and research and development by the French Ministry, because they were at that time already in the process of developing more the LMS platform for CPD, and that's beyond the chapter. Now Jacques is going to explain a bit what is this LMS, and there's now an implementation at national level of the ABC learning design methodology or core concept. Now, Jacques, over to you.
Yes, so in the French Ministry of Education, there are two LMS platforms. One, Magister, which is for educational and management staff, which represents about 1.2 million people. And another one, ELEA, is for all pupils, which represents about 12 million pupils. And to work, to design learning courses, there is a third platform, LMS as well. All are based on Moodle. And the third one is Réseau des Concepteurs in the middle. And it's a space for co-design and mutualization of Moodle courses. And on this platform, the ministry decided to implement a learning designer based on an ABC method.
Thank you, Jacques. So here is a screenshot of the current aspect or state of this interface, learning design interface. You will immediately recognize, of course, the learning types cards. The rows are, yes, this is the storyboard. So it's collaborative space. Now, on each row, it's possible to add a learning type, a card. It's also possible to add a teaching and learning activity, as it is on the Learning Designer. Here is a screenshot of a pop-up window that will appear if you click on the little burger or the little dots. So it appears for each card. The staff can fill in, of course, the title of the learning activity, the description in the text box. Then you can recognize the drop-down menu for the learning type. Then you have the duration. Then you have the learning objectives. That was something that was very much appreciated during the workshop, that we need the cards to display the learning outcomes or the learning objectives of the activity. You have the next drop-down menu is to select the corresponding Moodle activity that will be used. And then a free text box to write down some of the resources. This is currently being developed, and more features are coming soon, like the Moodle integration, I can't say a word, but this is quite a large-scale project at national level in France for all teachers, actually. Over to you, Jacques.
So this is the first step. The first step of the development, and the future developments are planned. A timeline of the complete conception with learning types and the time slots put together, and a page with the analytics diagrams and charts to help the analysis of the learning scenario, learning design, a possibility to export and import learning scenario as a CSV format so that we can share design, and automatic archive generation to generate Moodle courses. And then, so this, what François presented is in production, one especially for the ABC Learning Designer, and 2 dependencies. And publication in Moodle plugin directories should happen in 2027, beginning of 2027. And we are really pleased to show you our work for the last 2 years.
Merci, Jacques. Thank you.
Thank you.